2024 Volkswagen Atlas. With less than 18,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, cooled front seats, tinted windows. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.